back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Right out of Coal City. Outside is going to be Trent Salengo. He's out of Glen Daniel, West Virginia. Guys, I'm going to call the start. I'll call the finish, but I'm going to let you enjoy the sights and sounds of two cars racing on the track here. Here we go. Green flag is in the air. We're racing. I'll let y'all enjoy it from here. Two laps to go here for your pro late models. We got a battle for the lead. Look at the 18 of Salengo. He's right there to the inside. Coming around to the white flag this time. Ford McBride's going to take the white flag. One lap to go here. Salengo's throwing it up high. That ain't going to do it. Timmy McBride's going to come around here and collect the checker flag and join victory lane here in just a second. SCDRA cars, you need to be in staging. SCDRA cars, you need to be in staging. All right, guys, before we pull our driver out, he's about to come out. We also need y'all to get your 50-50 tickets out. We'll call that just as soon as we call victory lane. Here he comes, climbing out of the car, the 20T of Timmy McBride, your pro late model feature winner tonight. All righty, fans, pull out your 50-50 ticket. Pull out your 50-50 ticket, $350 tonight, courtesy of the Midland Trails girls basketball team. Your winning ticket number, 804-9018. Once again, it's 804-9018. One more time, 804-9018. Come to the scoring tower to collect your money. Once again, 804-9018.